Hello loves, I want to welcome you to the Holiday Fab Collab, My Christmas, My Style, 2018, hosted by my beautiful YouTube sister, Cathryn, from Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. This collaboration will happen over 4 weeks of holiday eye candy and tips. This is an open invitation, so you are going to see a plethora of Christmas style, ideas, and tips. So grab your favorite drink and keep your eyes peeled. We were given 3 choices: DIY, haul, or decorating an interior space. For today, I have a DIY that would be great and beautiful for your holiday decor. So let's get started. You will need E6000 glue, gem stickers, 3 candle plates, 2 sizes of diamond wrap, and 6 glass candle holders. All of these things came from Dollar Tree. So the first thing you want to do is remove all your labels and tags. And the next thing you want to do, I want to give you a tip on here. When you purchase these candle holders from Dollar Tree, they have 2 different types. They have the squared like edges, and then they have the round edges. So make sure you get all the same candle holders. To start this DIY, we're going to take 2 of the candle holders. On the first candle holder, we're going to add a bead of E6000 glue. So something like that, nice little bead. And then you're going to take the other candle holder and you're going to set it on top of the glue upside down. Make sure all the corners matches. Now this glue is forgiving. You can move it around for a little bit until you get it straight like you want it. But once it's set, you're not going to be able to move it. So, and all the corners meet up. I don't know if you can see that, but all the corners meet up with both of the candlesticks. So if you have a seam, it will go straight down to the second candlestick. Okay, so now while that is drying, we are going to glue 3 candlesticks. And what we're going to do just like we did the first one. We're going to turn this upside down, place some glue right on top of that base candlestick, and then we're going to glue this together. So now that these 2 are dry, we're going to apply the last piece, and we're going to place glue right on top of the base of the candlestick, and then we're going to place the 3rd piece of candlestick and place it right on top. I don't think you need to let it dry for 24 hours. It probably would dry just as well in 3 to 6 hours, but I like for mine to be completely dry so I can handle it the way I want. But you can try it and find out what is the best drying time for you. Okay, while those 2 candlesticks are drying, we're going to measure with the wide diamond wrap first around the base, or near the base, the neck of the candlestick. And we're going to wrap it around and measure how much we would need to cut. And cut off the measurement and put that aside. Then we're going to take the smaller diamond wrap and we're going to measure around the lip of the candlestick and do the same thing. We're going to cut and measure how much we need, and then we will put that aside. Okay, as you can see, I've already applied the diamond wrap at the lip of the candlestick. Now we're going to apply it here near the base. You want the diamond wrap to be right in the center of where it curves at the bottom and at the top. So you take the glue here and place a small bead, and then take the diamond wrap and glue it to the glass candlestick. And we take another small bead and glue the ends together as close as we possibly can, because that curve of the glass is very tricky to get that as even and together as possible. So you see that? Okay, and that's how it looks so far. So we're going to take these glass candle stand plates here and we're going to place strips of gemstone stickers on the edge here. You can see where I started on this plate, how it goes all around. So far I used about 3 strips on here, so I'm thinking either 4.5 strips will go all the way around this plate. So we're going to continue to do that to all 3 of these plates. So now that I've finished decorating and gluing on the glass plate for the smallest stand, we're going to work on the largest stand. It's dry enough for me to work with. I'm still going to let it dry for 24 hours, but I want to go ahead, for the sake of this video, go ahead and apply the diamond wrap and the plate to it. I've already cut 3 strips of the large diamond wrap and 3 strips of the smaller diamond wrap, and we're going to apply it onto this largest candle stand here with the hot glue. For the sake of time, I've already started by adding the ribbon to the large candlestick, but I want to show you what I did. We will start with this small ribbon and apply a small bead of glue and attach the ribbon to the candle holder. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's completed. It's gorgeous. Okay, so now we're going to apply the plate, and we're going to take the glue and we're going to apply it to the lip, just like we did before. And we're going to sit this in the center as best as we can. So I'll let it dry for 3 hours, and then I'll come back and let you see how it all looks. For this holiday season, I wanted to try something different. I am going to bring in a little bit more bling than I normally do. If you've been with me a while, you know I'm not that really a glitzy glam kind of person. So I want to try something different. Step outside my usual breeze style of decorating. I hope you guys enjoyed for this holiday season, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to visit my talented YouTube sisters in the playlist below and check out their channels. I know you'll find some beautiful ideas and inspirations this holiday season. See you on the next one.